For this session, you're going to prepare your artwork to vinyl cut and iron onto some fabric. So these are pencil cases here that some students did. So you want to have a reasonable thickness with your line work, which is why markers work quite well. You can use type, but be very careful with type. A serif font isn't necessarily the best because it's got the little feet at the bottom, and if the blade isn't really sharp and the mat isn't clean enough, then the type can drag and tear. So the thicker the better. So you're going to start by opening up the file that you created that has been image traced, like this one here. So file, open. And so you've got your character here. Then you're simply going to file, export, export as PNG, export. And so what happens here, you've got high 300 ppi, so you want to have that. And you really want to make sure it's transparent so that when it goes to vinyl cut, it's not going to get confused with anything in the background. It's only going to read those lines. So go OK. And then your artwork will be ready to save onto a USB and take to the printer connected to the vinyl cutter. And you can start that process with that. Good luck.